The English Alphabet, English Part 1. In this presentation you will learn the English alphabet. This will create a great foundation for everything else that you will learn. The English alphabet. There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and 21 consonants, B, C, D, F, etc. There are uppercase and lowercase letters. A, uppercase, A, lowercase. Pronunciation. A, apple, apple. B, bat, bat. C, cat, cat. D, dog, dog. E, egg, egg. F, fat, fat. G, goat, goat. H, hat, hat. I, ink, ink. J, job, job. L, lamp, lamp. M, mom, mom. N, nut, nut. O, orange, orange. P, pub, pub. Q, queen, queen. R, rat, rat. S, sock, sock. T, tap, tap. U, umbrella, umbrella. V, van, van. W, whip, whip. X, X-ray, X-ray. Y, yoga, yoga. Z, zebra, zebra. Please watch my next video, numbers. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Email me at valiranali@gmail.com. Please subscribe and click the bell.